Welcome back to another episode of Tuesday Treats. Today we are making my absolute favorite dessert recipe, and the best thing is it only requires 2 ingredients. So for today's recipe you'll need 300 grams of chocolate. I'm going to be using chocolate melts because it's easier, and then you need 600 mils of cream. So the first thing we're going to do is heat 1 cup of cream until it just starts to simmer. Try not let it boil. Once it reaches a simmer, put the chocolate inside the cream, take it off the heat, and put the lid on the pot. After a little rest, give it a gentle stir until you get that dreamy, glossy ganache sort of feel. If you do have a few stubborn lumps, a quick zap in the microwave will fix it. While your ganache cools slightly, whip the rest of your cream until you get soft to medium peaks. Think fluffy, but not too firm. Now this is where the magic happens. Add a third of the whipped cream into the ganache and fold in gently. This starts to lighten it up a bit. Then pour that mixture into the rest of the whipped cream and fold again. Slowly and steady wins the mousse game. Spoon the mixture into either your prettiest little dessert cups or just a bowl like I am, and pop it in the fridge for at least 3 hours to set. Once chilled, you can put a dollop of whipped cream, maybe some grated chocolate or berries if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it, all finished and absolutely delicious. It is decadent, rich and creamy. I do hope you tried this one because it is so easy and so delicious. I'll see you guys on the next one.